out from there? Huh? Say, Moose, come play, huh? Say, Moose, come play. Yeah, he's got to do his little roundabouts with the plant. I know, Riley. What's he doing? What's he doing, Riley? It's hard to understand, huh? He just likes to go slow, trancing with the fern. Riley says, "Are you done yet, Moose?"